Hi, I'm Kurt Metcalf with Wagner Meters, and today we're going to go over a function for maintenance called zero span. The zero span is just an easy way to keep your system calibrated throughout the week instead of you getting in and tinkering with the systems. It's just easy, a few minutes and you're done. We suggest on the zero span function that you do it once a week, preferably the beginning of the week when the first shift comes in. Some customers will do it in between each product, but it's up to you. And why this matters is because over time, the sensors might change in temperature from nighttime to morning or anytime. There's an auto zero function that we turned off and we turn back on that takes care of that throughout the week. But just for your precautions and stuff, you do it once a week. You can do it beginning of each week or in between product runs, in between shifts. As you've seen, it only takes a minute to do. To do this, we're going to have access to the sensors. You know, if you have a transverse sensor or a lineal system, you're going to have access to them and also the console. And the first thing you want to do is go out to the sensors and clean them off, get all the debris wiped off of the sensors, and then we'll go to the console. In the console, we're just going to go to the menu screen and to the options, and we're going to turn off the auto zero function. And then we'll go back out that screen and over to the sensor menu. And there we are at the zero span function. And the first part is we're going to zero out the sensor where everybody's free from it, there's no debris on it, and we'll just hit 0. And it'll come up, and then you can have someone out there or you can go back out there and put the cowl block on it. This is the one for the transverse system. And then hit span. After completing the zero span function, go back into the options menu and turn the auto zero on. And you're complete. And that's it. And you remove it. And so why do we do this? The reason why we do this is so we don't have to get in here and tinker with the low and high adjustments on these two sensors, or this type of sensor or those type of sensors. That's a lot of fussing that doesn't need to be done. This is kind of like autopilot. Instead of you flying the plane all the time, these guys are going to fly it for themselves. And that's it for the zero span. We hope you enjoy this video and helping you become a moisture measurement expert.